Hi guys! Okay, so we have already started off on our trip. We are at our halfway point basically. We are stopping because William woke up, and also it was really nice that he slept for like the first, I don't know, hour or two. We left around 10 o'clock, 9:30, 10 o'clock. It is currently 12:11. ETA like 2 o'clock probably. Anyways, so we're stopping to have some lunch. We have not been filming, but we've got books and a blanket and toys, mostly books. He really likes flipping through books, so I have a lot of those up here. He's also having a slice of cheese, if you can see, because we packed a to-go charcuterie board. So yeah. So I'll show you a little bit about that. I'll also try to keep you updated because this is going to be a little bit of a vacation vlog. Some of how we're entertaining our son, kind of what we're doing on our trip. So yeah. All right, so I'm having my salami here. We've got the crackers open, cheese, turkey, chips. Right, Kyle? Is that good, William? Some water. All right, yep. To-go charcuterie boards for the win. Is that good? Mm-hmm. I'm in the back seat now because William decided that he was going to be upset about life. So I'm back here, and that's okay. Almost there. We're about 25, maybe like 25 minutes out. Having fun seeing lots of trucks. Watch your step. Good morning, St. Ignace. Good morning, guys. So we are back. We are back from our trip, our annual weekend. It is Monday morning. We went Friday through Sunday afternoon. It was a lot of fun. I'm sure I'll put in lots of pictures right around here or already or something. I'm sure I will show you all about it. So this is the morning after the trip. I'm coming out to bring all the stuff in from the car. And I guess I'll just tell you out of the stuff that I'm bringing in what kind of worked and what didn't. So yeah, let's do this. So what I've already got in here is I always take this blanket. It's really good. You don't care if it gets dirty. Anyway, so we got this book from my sister-in-law. Makes lots of noises and he loves it. So that was a lifesaver. He really likes this caterpillar toy. And then he also destroyed my car. Oh yes, good job. He really liked that toy, but the batteries are dying, so I'll have to get some new ones. But yeah, so we've got to clean it out, take all this stuff in, clean the car because, oh boy, vacuum out the car seat, get all close the snacks out. Did you just close the door, Mom? Here. Also, side note, we did end up taking our larger stroller, but it was so worth it, even though it took up a lot more space. Oh man, it was great to have the extra storage for different things, and he fell asleep in it a few times because we had some long days, but yep, I really love it. I think it's great. So yeah. So I just use my house vacuum out here and I take the hose off. The only thing that this kid likes more than books is the vacuum and the lawnmower. So, let's see how this goes. You got the tomatoes? Anyways, guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video of our trip, and I hope you just have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share that video. I've got a new video already started for you guys, and I just hope you really enjoy it. It's been a hot minute since that actual video was recorded. But yeah, alright, have a great day. Bye, guys.